Hey, welcome back to MyDan Computer Training Channel. Today, we continue Part 3 CapCut Editing Basics. And today's topic is using filters and color adjustments setting the mood. Now, have you ever noticed how movies have a unique look? Some are bright and colorful, others are dark and moody. That magic comes from filters and color adjustments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use CapCut to set the right mood and style for your videos with just a few clicks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the next tutorial. Let's get started. First up, what are filters? Filters are pre-designed color styles you can apply to your video instantly. They can make a video warm, cool, vintage, cinematic, or trendy with one click. To apply a filter, select your clip, go to the Filters tab, and pick the style you want. Here's the cinematic filter. Notice how it makes the clip look like a movie scene. Now, filters don't have to be full strength. You can adjust the intensity slider to make the effect more subtle and natural. If you want full control, CapCut also lets you adjust colors manually. You can tweak brightness, light or dark, contrast, shadows versus highlights, saturation, color, intensity, and temperature, warm or cool tone. Now, one of the most important things in editing is consistency. If one clip looks bright and the next one looks dull, your video feels unprofessional. Use filters or manual adjustments to make all clips match in style and color. Now, filters and color aren't just technical. They're creative. Use warm tones for family vlogs. Use cool tones for tech videos. Use black and white for dramatic or storytelling moments. Alright, quick recap. Add filters for instant style. Adjust intensity for balance. Use manual controls for precision. Match clips for consistency. Use color creatively to set the mood. And that's how you give your videos a professional look. Well, that's how to use filters and color adjustments in CapCut. With just a few tweaks, you can make your videos look like movies. In the next episode, we'll look at text and titles, how to add professional on-screen text to your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments. Do you prefer colorful edits or clean, natural looks? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.